The world is dealing with a growing e-waste crisis. Over 48 million tons of e-waste are produced every year. And by 2050, the amount of e-waste is expected to reach a whopping 120 million metric tons. But what makes e-waste so bad? Electronic hardware contains a list of harmful chemicals like mercury, lead, beryllium, and more that get released into the air, soil, and water when irresponsibly dumped in landfills. The irresponsible disposition, combined with constant hardware manufacturing, production, and replacement, carries a steep environmental and ecological price. In an environment where customers and regulators demand a more responsible approach to IT, businesses are shifting their focus to adopting sustainable and green practices. There's some good news. Investing in refurbished IT hardware, servers, storage equipment, and networking devices is one of the best ways for companies to boost their sustainability efforts, reduce their carbon footprint, tackle the e-waste problem, minimize the demand for new hardware, and contribute to the circular economy. It eliminates energy-intensive manufacturing and premature asset disposition by focusing on extending the hardware lifecycle. What is even better is that you don't have to sacrifice on quality when buying refurbished hardware. Choose a trusted partner with rich industry experience to meet your unique business needs while implementing green initiatives. At CX Tech, we have been working in the IT hardware and asset disposition industry for more than 40 years. As North America's largest secondary market IT hardware provider, we empower businesses to make sustainable decisions and maximize value from hardware investment through Equal to New, our exclusive brand of high-performing and reliable pre-owned IT equipment. With Equal to New, you get vast inventory of top brands in stock and ready-to-ship product, 40 to 90% off manufacturer list prices, impressive lifetime warranty with advanced replacement, 99.51% reliability rating, thoroughly tested, certified, and sustainable hardware. That's not all. We offer hardware end-of-life management, helm services to decommission retired IT assets using environmentally safe tactics and our highly compliant R2 certified recycling solution. Get started now. Boost sustainability across your entire IT infrastructure with CX Tech.